Hi everyone, let's talk about something that's often overlooked in wargaming. It's more important to play and have fun than to get everything absolutely perfect. Whether it's painted miniatures, terrain, having the ideal game set up, what really matters is getting stuck in, rolling dice and enjoying the experience. That's the mindset we want to share as we prepare for the live stream of Raid on Aurora Junction on Saturday, Feb 1st, 2:30 p.m. GMT. This cyberpunk-themed game will use the Imperial Commander rules, the mass combat system for LaserBurn. We've got a lot to do before the big day, but we're embracing the challenge and focusing on making it all work with what we've got. If you're watching this after Feb 1st, 2025, you'll find a link to the live stream replay in the description below, so please be sure to check it out. This is the first of several updates we'll be sharing every couple of days between now and the 1st of February. These updates will show our progress as we prepare the game. We'll also include a battle preview in one of the final updates, where we'll look at the forces involved and any objectives and special rules for this game in more detail as we get closer to the big day. Here's where things stand right now. We've built all the miniatures for the game, probably about 70 in total, including civilian bystanders, but only a handful are painted. Our goal is to get all the figures table ready, not competition level painting, but enough to game with. We prefer playing with painted figures. For vehicles, we've got a mix of 3D resin printed models, including Johnny cabs, street cleaners and delivery vans. We've also finished 2 Anaconda speeders that will be used for the police, plus one more that's built and not yet painted. All of the 3D printed models, well, they still need painting, but they'll add a lot of life to the cyberpunk setting once they're ready. The table itself is our biggest challenge. We don't have a dedicated cyberpunk board, but we'll be transforming what we do have into something that fits the theme. Our collection includes modern terrain that's close to cyberpunk, grimdark 30k pieces, the hard sci-fi order station set with platforms and gantries, and some old Warhammer 40k ruins. To tie it all together, we'll add scatter terrain, signage, greebles and lighting for that cyberpunk vibe. To start, we're painting a grey cyberpunk texture directly onto our workshop table to use as the surface because we don't have a big enough mat or enough terrain boards. Over the next updates, we'll show how the table evolves as we add more detail and atmosphere. We'll likely discover even more ways to enhance it as we go, so it'll be fun to see how it comes together. So join us on this journey as we prepare for the live stream. Remember, it's not about achieving perfection, it's about having fun and bringing the game to life with what we've got. We're looking forward to showing you the new table surface and sharing more updates in the next video, so stay tuned for that.